The DJI Power 1000 V2 gives you multiple ways to stay powered up. In this video, we'll explore how to charge it properly so you're always ready when you need it most. Charging via grid power. Use the provided AC charging cable and plug it into the input port of your DJI Power 1000 V2. Insert the other end into a standard household wall socket. Wall outlets deliver the highest power input, so this method charges the unit faster than other options. Leave it connected until the battery indicator shows full capacity. The power station is equipped with an intelligent battery management system that controls voltage and temperature during charging. This ensures safe operation and extends battery life without requiring extra supervision. Charging via solar power. Start by unfolding your compatible solar panels and placing them in an open area with direct sunlight. Make sure they are angled properly toward the sun and free from any shadows, since shaded panels won't generate enough power. Once the panels are in position, take the solar output cable and attach it securely to the input port of the DJI Power 1000 V2. Double-check both ends of the connection to ensure they are firmly plugged in, as a loose cable can interrupt charging. After the connection is made, the Power 1000 V2 will automatically begin charging from the solar panels. Leave the setup in sunlight and monitor the display on the unit to confirm it's receiving power. Keep the panels steady until the battery reaches the level you need, then disconnect safely. Charging via car power. Take the car charging cable and plug it into your vehicle's 12-volt or 24-volt cigarette lighter socket. Connect the other end securely to the input port of the DJI Power 1000 V2. Always keep the car engine on while charging. This prevents the car battery from draining and ensures a steady supply of power to the Power 1000 V2. Once connected, the Power 1000 V2 automatically regulates the input current from your vehicle. Leave it charging during your drive until you reach the desired battery level. And that's it! Your DJI Power 1000 V2 is now charged and ready to go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.